Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Pretty boring day in Tesla. Let's look at the 1 hour first real quick. So 1 hour inside bar, we're still watching this key low 605. Below the key low 605, we'll be targeting the 5.6, about 570, about 570 right in between this cluster. Then 522 to the downside. Let's jump back to the 4 hour, then I'll jump back to the daily. If we get above, we're still watching. This is going to be a key level right here, this high 639.04. First level key resistance is coming in about 650, right just above this 12.5% retracement and just below the rotation zone. So we'll be watching 650. Above 650, we'll be targeting 668. Then above 668 on the 4 hour, we'd start watching for this gap fill in 690. There's going to be another level in the way on the daily though. Before 690, about 680. 680 is the rotation zone on the daily. So on any rally, 680 to 690 is your key area of resistance. So that's something, if we rally up there, that's where you should at least take some action, adjust something, do something with your position. Don't just sit on your hands. Beyond that, nothing else above that. 715 is the next key area, and that's starting this gap fill up here, but that would require an incredibly bullish move, and given everything that's going on in the world, yeah, I guess it could happen with Tesla, but not expecting it, but we still have to just trade the price action. So again, we're consolidating. Now we have another inside day, so again, when this breaks out, it will probably break out fast and hard, so that's why we're just going to trade it in the direction of the breakout. Overall though, bearish on the 4 hour, you can see here against the rotation zone, bearish on the daily, and on the weekly bottom rotation zone is creeping up to around the 550 level, still slightly bullish to neutral on the weekly, but we're focusing more on the 4 hour and the daily, which are both in bearish mode for the time being. So that's what we have on Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.